So a lot of clients contact our office and ask us what to do when their I-485 is denied. To begin with, remember the I-485 is the application that triggers the production of the green card. Many people file the I-485 with an I-130, which is usually a spousal petition, or an I-140, which is usually a labor application filed by an employer. Many people will be called for an interview for an I-485. Sometimes that interview is waived, but during that interview, the officer will ask a series of questions, especially the yes or no inadmissibility questions. Some of those questions can be answered yes. Some of those, if they are answered yes, would be problematic. But regardless, at the end of the interview, the officer will consider approving or denying the application. Sometimes you'll have a decision right at the interview, but oftentimes, especially in more complicated cases, the decision will come in the mail. If you receive a denial of your I-485, it's really important to read the denial letter very carefully to understand exactly what USCIS is saying. Is USCIS saying that you're inadmissible? And if you are, would you be eligible for a waiver? Sometimes USCIS doesn't tell you if you'd be eligible for a waiver. Is the I-485 denied because the underlying I-130 or I-140 has an issue? Or is there something else? Did you refuse or forget to respond to a request for evidence? It's really important when you receive a denial to have an immigration lawyer look over it because there are several things you can do when you receive a denial. Sometimes it might be easier to just refile everything and do it the right way. Sometimes there is a clear error by USCIS, and you can address that through a lawyer by filing a motion to reopen. In other scenarios, it might be best for an immigration judge to review the denial. And there may also be an opportunity to appeal your I-485. So in short, if your I-485 is denied, it's really important to get in contact with an immigration lawyer. We'd be glad to help you. Our website is yeklaw.com. We'd be glad to help you. Thank you.